You're watching RV World, your home for the ultimate nomadic adventures, rolling homes, and next-level camping experiences. Subscribe and buckle up, your journey begins here. The sound of gentle waves tapping against the hull, the crisp morning air tinged with the scent of water and pine, this is not your usual campsite. Welcome to Water Camping 4.0. No generators humming, no crowds, no gravel lots. Just a floating pod, your RV reimagined for the water, seamlessly merging land-bound freedom with aquatic serenity. Water Camping 4.0 isn't just a new destination, it's a whole new way of life. We're talking about amphibious RVs, floating campsites, self-sustaining houseboats with solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and AI-powered energy management. At the heart of this revolution is the dream to break free, not just from roads but from limits. Imagine this. You wake up to a glass-ceiling skylight, sunlight refracting off the water above you. No alarms needed, just nature's rhythm and the quiet bobbing of your floating base. With a press of a button, your panoramic window reveals an untouched shoreline. You're not parked next to the water anymore, you are on it. The smart systems have already prepared your morning. Your solar arrays, silently tracking the sun, have charged your battery overnight. The onboard AI knows your routine, coffee is hot, filtered rainwater is ready, and your indoor air is perfectly balanced for comfort. Floating over a tranquil lake or anchoring in a quiet cove, Water Camping 4.0 lets you explore secret inlets and backwaters traditional RVs can't reach. Your amphibious rig moves with minimal wake, powered by silent electric water thrusters. It's stealth camping, water edition. Need to move inland? These RVs aren't limited to the water. With retractable hydrofoils and reinforced all-terrain wheels, you simply cruise ashore and transition to land travel. No docks, no tow vehicles, no setup time. The transformation from water mode to land mode is fluid, literally. Meals. Think local, wild, and fresh. Cast a line from your kitchen deck. Catch and cook becomes a daily ritual. Your modular galley includes a fish cleaning station, integrated smoker, and hydroponic herbs grown onboard. No grocery store needed. The system suggests recipes based on your catch, your mood, and what's growing in your floating garden. Entertainment in Water Camping 4.0 doesn't rely on screens. Paddleboards slide out from under your deck. An underwater drone lets you explore the lake's depths in real time. The entire hull is embedded with LED ambient lighting, shifting hues as the sky changes. Night fishing. Stargazing from your rooftop net hammock. It's all standard. Safety. Fully integrated. GPS-linked satellite beacons, weather predictive AI alerts, and sonar scanning for underwater obstacles ensure you're always a step ahead of nature. The craft is anchored with an electromagnetic system, no noisy chains, just a whisper-quiet bond with the lakebed. And yes, there's Wi-Fi, sustainably powered and satellite-linked, so whether you're journaling, uploading a video, or checking in with family, you're never really disconnected unless you choose to be. As dusk settles in, the floating RV becomes a beacon of calm. A bioluminescent trail, activated by the gentle wake of your movements, lights up the water around you. The feeling, like camping on a cloud, afloat in nature's embrace. And for those who crave community, imagine floating villages. Clusters of Water Camping 4.0 units anchor together, forming pop-up aquatic neighborhoods. Fire pits are replaced by shared solar lounges. Barbecue pods drift between platforms. You're never far from connection, but only when you want it. What makes Water Camping 4.0 so special isn't just the tech, it's the freedom to redefine your boundaries. No roads, no plots, no reservations, just possibilities. Whether you're solo exploring alpine lakes or sharing sunset cocktails in a hidden bay with fellow nomads, you're not just camping anymore. You're evolving. Maintenance. Mostly automated. Sensors monitor everything from hull integrity to air quality to solar efficiency. The onboard assistant gives you gentle reminders, flush a filter here, check a hatch there, but gone are the days of greasy hands and complex checklists. It's RVing made intelligent. Even pets are part of the experience. Floating treadmills, enclosed splash zones, and smart pet feeders mean your furry companions can enjoy the freedom too. Water Camping 4.0 is inclusive, wild, and welcoming. At its core, it's about returning to nature without giving up the comforts we love. It's about a silent morning paddle instead of rush hour traffic. It's about watching an eagle dive for fish while you sip your coffee, barefoot, unhurried, alive. So if you've ever dreamed of living between the worlds of water and land, if you crave the horizon instead of a highway exit, Water Camping 4.0 is calling. This is more than a trend, it's the next wave of RV life. Thanks for joining us at RV World, where adventure has no limits and home is wherever you float. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game-changing RV experiences. Until next time, keep rolling, keep floating, and keep dreaming.